Oh no!
Oh my god! Oh no! Hello there, kids. I am Tim. We are good four friends and we are going to do a friendly race today. Let's meet others. The sky blue car is Thomas. Hey kids, hope you're gonna enjoy the video. The purple car is Joy.
Hello kids, please like and share our video.
And the yellow car is Haley.
Hi kids! Hey guys, I am Helly. It's good to meet you.
All right, are you guys ready?
Let's
Okay,
go.
we
Let's
are.
We are ready.
Ready, get, set, go! Yay! Woohoo!
Okay, looks like they're going so fast. They are fast cars. Haley is going so ahead of them. I think Haley is gonna win. But wait, Tim is trying to overtake her, and Tim is trying to win the race, I think, right? But the Joy and the Thomas are way behind them.
Hey old man, you are so slow.
It's okay to be slow because it's safe.
Yeah, Thomas is right. It's safe when you drive slow. But unfortunately, you lose the race if you slow down, right? I don't think they can reach them because these two cars are so fast. Looks like Tim is gonna win this race. He's going so fast. Yeah, he's really fast. Look at him go.
Hey Haley, guess what? I'm gonna win. I will beat you all. Okay, we will see who wins, Haley.
Hey Tim, look out! There is a cat.
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh no!
Hey Tim, look out! There is a cat. Oh my god, Tim, are you okay? Are you okay? Someone call for help! Someone call for help! Hey guys, looks like he's hurt.
Oh my. Hey buddy Tim, can you hear me?
I am calling Sunset Kid Machinery for help.
Please like, subscribe and share this video.